Hi, welcome back to Fighting 50. Today I am going to show you how I brush my hair to grow long, thick hair. I have had so many requests for this video, and so I'm going to go over a few things, the way I brush my hair and my routine. So let's get to it. So let's start off talking about the condition of my hair. Right now my hair is dirty. I haven't washed it. There's product in it. So every day I have basically the same routine as far as brushing it goes. And I am going to show you how I go about brushing my hair. So every morning I make sure that I brush my hair for at least I want to say about 3 minutes. So first I brush it through. The past couple of days I've been having bad vertigo, so it's been really hard because I like to swing my head upside down to brush the back of my head, which I'm going to show you right now. Oh, my hair has static. Hate that. I haven't trimmed my hair lately. I'm waiting to do that, and I will make a video when I do trim my hair so that you could see. I trim it on my own by myself, and I'm gonna do a video on that pretty soon. I will brush my hair for 3 minutes in the morning and about 3 to 5 minutes at night. So when you're brushing your hair, make sure that you are bringing the brush to your scalp so that you are actually stimulating the scalp. So you want to make sure that you're using a brush that the bristles aren't soft, because if the bristles are soft, it's not going to stimulate your scalp. So you want to make sure that the bristles are hard, or that the brush that you're using gets in there and stimulates the scalp. And you're going to feel like a massage on your head, which feels really good, but you're going to also feel when you're using something that stimulates your scalp, you're going to feel that. You can't just use any brush to do it. You have to make sure that the brush you're using has the bristles that will actually get in there and do it. Otherwise, you're brushing your hair, and that's great, but it's not going to cause your scalp to have that extra. It's just like massage. You could do a massage on your scalp too, and that would help, right? That's going to help. But if you're just doing your brushing, you want to make sure that the brush is actually doing that for you. So my recommendation is that you brush your hair 3 minutes in the morning and about 3 to 5 minutes at night. You know, all those old movies and stuff that you would hear, oh, you have to brush your hair 50 times or whatnot. It's actually true. It's not like a wives' tale or anything like that. It works. I'm in my 50s. I have very thick hair. I naturally have thick hair. So I'm not saying, oh, this is going to make you have hair just like mine. No, I was born with thicker hair, but my hair has not thinned out, even though I am older and I'm going through menopause. And that is a huge problem for a lot of women going through menopause, or even hormonal imbalances when you're young, in your 20s and 30s. Your hormones play a huge role in your health of your hair and the growth of your hair. So if you're stimulating your scalp and you're bringing the blood supply up to your scalp, it's not going to hurt. It's going to help. So I'm not claiming to be a stylist or anything, by beautician or anything like that. Far from it. But I do know the things that work for me and what keeps my hair healthy and strong. Obviously, trimming your hair is going to keep it healthier. So if you have thinner, thin, baby fine hair, you're going to have to trim it more often. But you don't need to trim 1 or 2 inches, because that's what people are like, oh, I can't grow out my hair. I want to grow out my hair. But they're chopping off, 3 inches at a time, and your hair doesn't, if your hair's not growing that fast, then it's never going to grow out. So when you're going to trim it, make sure that you only trim a little tiny piece, maybe 1 inch. And so also you're going to want to, when you're brushing your hair, make sure that you're getting your entire scalp. So if you need to separate it into 2 sections so that you are getting the middle part of the back middle of your scalp, you could separate it in 2 sections to do that. Also, like I said, today my hair, it's not, I haven't washed it. I'm going to actually wash it. And so right now it's a little bit like, has a lot of product in it. So it's harder to brush through. Also, when you get out of the shower, after you wash your hair, make sure that you use a big comb like this that has and it doesn't matter if your hair is thick or thin or whatnot. Make sure you use a comb like this. I have 2 different kinds. I have this one and this one. And then when my hair is wet, I make sure I brush through, get all the tangles out. And this helps not to break or damage your hair when it's wet. So this is a great, great tool for making sure you're not damaging your hair, and it definitely keeps it stronger. So after you're done brushing through your hair for the 3 minutes, also I want to give you another tip is, if you are like me, since I have long hair, I always wear my hair up, either in a bun or a ponytail, just up, and so it's not all over my face when I'm having a massive hot flash. You want to be careful with the type of rubber bands you use. You don't want to use anything that's going to snag or break your hair. So you want to try to use ones that are like this. I get them at Harmon Face Value. So once I have brushed out my hair, I'm going to just do a top knot messy bun. I just pull my hair forward. So I pull my hair to the top of my head. If I want a really full messy bun, I don't ponytail it up here. Instead of putting a rubber band up here, I just wrap it like this. And then you just kind of pull it like that. And then I use a stretched out rubber band, so it can't be the little tight ones. Wrap it twice, and then you literally just pull it. However loose you want it, how big you want it, depending on if you want it like a really big messy bun or you just want a tighter bun. But that's me when I'm running around. My messy bun. I've had it since I was a young girl. It's funny because now it's like the biggest thing, but in reality, I've been wearing my hair like this since I was in my 20s. So I guess I'm a trendsetter. So that's my hairbrush tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, you know what to do. Thumbs up. Subscribe if you like my videos, and hit notifications if you want to see the next one that's coming up. The next one I'm actually planning to do is my favorite hairbrushes, hair brushes and combs that I use the most. I showed you one of the combs, but I'm going to show you all the different brushes that I use. And I hope to see you soon. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.